Alright, so it started snowing sometime last night, and it's still snowing. I don't know if you can see the snow in the video that's coming down, but I thought I would just do a little video. You can see how much we've gotten, and who knows when it's going to end. The yard is very white. The road is very white. They've not done anything, which, you know, doesn't do any good to do anything until the snow stops. There's a stoop, and it's almost up to the stoop. Can't see the stepping stones, really. My poor little yucca, you can't really see it. But, yeah, it's a little white. Let's hope it don't get any worse. But thank the Lord we have power and internet and all those comforts that we love.